then you only have $2,000 down. Can you put down anything else?
Do you have any Range Rover, like 2022, 2023?
All right, back with more clips, more cars, and more people making bad financial decisions. Welcome to the channel. Before we get into the clips, I just want to thank everyone that has subscribed. The channel is growing faster than I ever imagined. Also, to everyone that has liked and commented, the subscribers are great, but the likes and comments, that's what pushes the video out in the algorithm. So thank you to everyone. Let's get into the first clip.
You want a C63, right?
Yes.
I'm gonna ask you a really outlandish question here. If I were to get you approved, so this is gonna be a tough approval, we're gonna work on a C63 right now, right? You owe 13 on the car?
14.8.
14.8. If I gave you 14.8 in a brand new Mitsubishi, would you take it? Build your credit a little bit?
No, I'd rather take my Mercedes.
Get out of that. You'd rather take your Mercedes home? Okay, so this car basically is worth $3,000 wholesale.
Yeah, I know, I got screwed.
Yeah, so I'm gonna give you 65, but then you only have $2,000 down. Can you put down anything else?
I could go to 3, but that means I'm really pushing my budget.
Okay.
So this guy wants a Mercedes C3, and his down payment is stretching his budget to the limit. If a few $1,000s is already painful, that should really be a red flag. The monthly payments, the insurance, the maintenance on a luxury car like this will likely crush his finances. This is living beyond your means. He's wanting a status symbol before building a financial foundation. Before buying that luxury car, he should make sure he's got an emergency fund, he's contributing to his retirement, and take care of any high interest debt that he might have.
Got it. See if there's any possibility there's anything there and work that out, okay?
All right.
All right, cool. What was the problem with the bank right now? Is income or the car?
Both.
Both? Okay.
It's the negative equity, the book out on the vehicle as well as the
Yeah.
credit. I told him in 6 months he'll probably flush out of his car.
Just pay it off.
Yeah,
Yeah, I knew I was
14,
screwed
we
on
got
it.
6.
Yeah.
Just pay it off. Pay off your car and you'll be fine.
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah, appreciate it.
All right.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much, I appreciate it. Keep
Thanks
doing
for
what you're
coming.
doing.
Appreciate it.
Thanks.
Thank you.
He's already struggling with his monthly income, and he carries negative equity on his current car. Yet he wants to trade up for a $65,000 Mercedes with just a $3,000 down payment. He owes more on his old car than it's worth, so the leftover debt simply rolls into the new one. He'll be paying for a car he no longer owns, and for a luxury car he can't even afford. Combine that with an income that's probably not the best, he would just be deepening his debt with higher monthly payments and long-term financial stress. Don't do this. The second clip, more negative equity and trying to buy a Range Rover.
How much do you owe on it, you said?
68.
Do you know how much your car is worth?
Yeah, I know.
The car is worth about $38,000.
I know that.
You have about $30,000 in negative equity. I don't know what you want me to do here, brother. We can't really put you into anything else unless you have $20,000 or $15,000 down.
Yes.
So he's sitting on 30 grand in negative equity. He owes 30 grand more than the car's worth, and he's shopping for another vehicle. That debt doesn't disappear when he trades it in. Rolls straight into the next loan, or he's got to put down a huge chunk of cash, instantly making the new car worth far less than he owes. Add in higher monthly payments, rising interest rates, and depreciation, he's digging himself into a financial hole that could take years to get out of. Before even thinking about a replacement car, the smartest move is just stop the cycle. Pay down the existing loan, build savings, and stabilize income. Otherwise, every new purchase just piles debt on top of debt. Turns a new car upgrade to a long-term money trap.
Okay, so we give you actual price.
Yeah.
What do you want? What kind of car?
Do you have any Range Rover, like 2022, 2023? Any, like, sport?
Nothing. I just sold the
Nothing.
2021.
If I come and we can make a deal, can you find one for me?
I could try. It's gonna take some time. But if you want, I'll put you on my list. Let me see what I can do in terms of finding you a car.
Okay.
Buying a new car while carrying huge negative equity, especially as much as $30,000, isn't just risky, it's financial sabotage. Rolling that debt into a new car loan means you start tens of thousands of dollars underwater the moment you drive off the lot. Add an unstable income or that luxury level price tag, you're setting yourself up for years of crushing payments, higher interest, and no equity to show for it. If you're in this position, the smartest move isn't an upgrade, it's a reset. Drive your current vehicle as long as possible. Focus every spare dollar on paying down the existing balance. And build an emergency fund before you even think of a new purchase. That way, when you do buy again, you're doing it from a place of strength and financial freedom, not desperation. I'm going to end the video here. Again, ask you to hit that like button, drop a comment. I'll see you in the next one.